Hi fellas! Today we are heading out to Braunsberg, which is the little hill in my hometown, because we have pretty mint wind conditions, about 25 kilometers per hour average coming from southeast, taking out the naughty today, because it seems like a perfect choice for those weather conditions, and we will see if we can have some nice airtime. Naja. Came out that I landed on the only molehill on the whole meadow, which broke my stabilizer. Plus, I realized that I printed the vertical stab much too thin because I used an old lightweight PLA profile. Hope you enjoyed the airtime with Naughty. Did you know you can get the STLs at 3D prints? Just click the link in the description below and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope to see you soon. Until then, guten Flug!